close down a little early. A lot of people are doing that, and it's wise to start early and finish early.
Yeah, I recommend Wayne this week if you want to get some stuff done while it's still cool. We're talking like before 8 a.m. That's how quickly we're going to heat up, and we already saw triple digits today. That's day one of about 3-4 days coming up of excessive heat. The National Weather Service has got all sorts of watches and warnings up. Here is a spot, though, where you'll want to escape to if you want to get away from the heat. This is a beautiful shot from our Chinook Winds Casino Resort camera down in Lincoln City. Temperatures in the upper 60s. Light winds today. That's a beautiful shot. That'll be about 30 degrees cooler than what we're going to be here in the valley. Coming up tomorrow, Vancouver, hot. Hotel Indigo, Kirkland Tower camera on the beautiful Vancouver waterfront. Grant Street Pier there in the foreground. 99 degrees now. They were up over 100 in Vancouver today. Portland's back down to 99. We were up to the century mark last hour. Humidity's at 23%. Dew point's at 55. And the wind north-northwest 9 miles per hour. Notice that evening planner there at the bottom. Boy, we're going to stay at or above 90 until after sunset tonight. It is going to be an extremely slow cool down, especially for those without air conditioning coming up over the next couple of nights. Vancouver right now, 101, PDX 99, Bethany 99, 100 at Hillsboro. You're up over 100 at Oregon City last hour. Eagle Creek's at 101. Troutdale was up to 105 today. 102 right now. Washougal at 96. Battleground at 97. Current conditions across the Pacific Northwest, all in the lower 100s and upper 90s now. Along the I-5 corridor, Salem's at 100, Eugene at 100. Central and southern Oregon coast, that was the cool spot today, relatively speaking, with temperatures in the 60s and lower 70s. From about Tillamook County north up into the southern Washington coast, temperatures all in the 80s today. Especially for that Seaside volleyball tournament today as well. 101 degrees at the Dalles, 93 Pendleton, Baker City's at 88. Okay, weather alerts Sunday through Thursday. Excessive heat warning up. Dangerous heat in the Willamette Valley. Red flag warning also in effect. Temperatures between 95 and 105 between now and Thursday. The cool down actually arrives on Friday, and oppressive overnight temperatures as well. I have a couple of nights in the lower 70s, and those would be new warm overnight low records. So let's break it down day by day. I'm forecasting 106 tomorrow. I've upped it by a degree or two from yesterday's forecast with some new model data that just came in. Wouldn't be surprised if we see 107 somewhere in the metro area tomorrow. That would be very close to the first day of the big June 2021 heat wave when we hit 108 before we went on to 116 and 112 after that. I don't see it quite as oppressive as that. But again, 102 on Tuesday, that would be another record. And then 97 on Wednesday, that would not be a record. Day planner for tomorrow, boy, we are starting out. Look at that, at 6 a.m. with the sun coming up. We're already at normal house temperature, 72 degrees. And we're only going to warm up from there, be just below 100 almost at lunchtime, a light offshore flow coming. And that's really going to heat things up. Now watch this. I'll play it out on Futurecast. Overnight tonight, still around 80 in the metro area as of 11 p.m. Don't open those windows yet. If you can, you want to open them as early as possible. Somewhere around maybe 4 to 5 a.m. You're only going to get about 2 to 3 hours of cooling. Look at this. At 7 a.m., we're already up to 72, and we just shoot up from there. This model's got us as high as 107 in the metro area at 3 o'clock tomorrow. And it's all because of this big ridge of high pressure up over the Pacific Northwest. It just continues to stay there Tuesday into Wednesday. Finally, by the time we get to Thursday, it splits apart. A portion of it moves into the Intermountain West. That allows a little bit of an onshore flow to push into the metro area. Okay, 7-day forecast. We'll walk through this nice and slow here. Monday, 106. That's tomorrow. That would be a new record. And then Tuesday, excessive heat continues at 102. Both of those overnight lows of 72 and 71 tomorrow night and the next night would be new records. We'll be very close to that again tonight as well. I think we're still in the upper 60s tonight in the metro area. Wednesday and Thursday continue to be hot with temperatures in the 90s. And then finally, Wayne, once we get to Friday, we start to cool things down. And Saturday and Sunday, back to where we should be this time of the year.
All right. I guess we all just need to slow down a little bit here for the next couple of days. Thank you so much, Steve. Coming